me a fatty brisket. I got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna smoke me a fatty brisket. I got my barbecue shoes on.
Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today looks like we're doing some venison roast strips at the pit. And they're going to be real easy to do, alright. Fresh from one of our chapters. You got to check this recipe out. Alright. It says here he's got some venison roast, probably bottom or top round, right? Cut real thin. That was some smoked paprika. He's got brown sugar. He's got some coarse salt there. He's got some water. He's got some hot sauce. Looks like our habanero chipotle. Of course, we got some SPG to season. And looks like he's going to put it together. All right. Now, these are cut real thin, and that's not a bad way to do this, right? Otherwise, you got to do a real low and slow to cook up this roast. He's even cutting them thinner. These would be like a snack, I guess, right? Oh, yeah. Oh, man, it looks good enough to eat already. And you know, when this whitetail is, you could eat it just like that for some good eating at your pit. Right, he's got them cut up. Again, nice and thin. This will keep it real tender. Here he's got one of those 1 gallon food storage bags. He's going to use it for marinating. Threw in some water. Throw in some hot sauce. Throwing in some SPG, that's salt, pepper, garlic. Goes into brown sugar, smoked paprika, some salt. Oh yeah. Easy to do. Looks like he's going to marinate them. This will bring on some more flavor and, of course, help tenderize. Oh, yeah. This will be good. Now he throws it in the refrigerator for a few hours, and you'll need at least a few hours to marinate him, right? Get that flavor throughout that meat. Looks like he's going to rinse them off. Now we've got over 15,000 chapters in over 100 countries, and we've got some great pit masters. If you want to start your own chapter, head on over to our website and sign up. It's free, all right? We're also over there on Facebook. And of course, here we are on YouTube as well. All right, he's rinsed everything down. He's got the excess marinade off on that. And now he's placing these venison strips on a wire rack here. Oh yeah, this is gonna be some good snacking, man. And this whitetail venison is just like eating prime beef. I'm telling you. Is that his pit? Yeah. All right, going on a ceramic grill. Places it right on. It's not going to take long. There's no doubt about it. Looks like he's running a temperature of a few hundred degrees there. A few hundred degrees Fahrenheit. And he's going to give him a flip. Gotta get some horseradish out. We're gonna be eating good tonight, Martha. All right. Let's say those are done. And clean them off. Looks like he's dropping in a hot sauce there. Use your favorite hot sauce. Of course, we're using our Pit Boys original. It's very sweet. Are you kidding? Throws it on the grill, lets it simmer in there for just a little bit, I guess. You go to our website, get the exact ingredients and recipe. You know that, right? Oh, look at that, nice and sticky. And I'm always a toast to the pit master. Phew. Yeah. Well, here's where they eat right in front of us. I'm calling that pit master privilege, right? Oh yeah, you can see how tender it is. Just melting in your mouth. Another great job. So if you're looking for a good venison recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.